Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make exquisite chocolate bonbons. We'll cover everything from preparing your molds to achieving that perfect glossy finish. You'll learn the art of tempering chocolate, crafting delightful fillings, and assembling these bite-sized treats. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your homemade confectionery skills, creating truly special and delicious bonbons. Tempering is crucial for shiny, snappy bonbons. For dark chocolate, melt it to between 120 and 130 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it to about 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. For milk or white chocolate, melt to around 105 to 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool to 86 to 88 degrees Fahrenheit. This precise temperature control ensures your chocolate sets beautifully, preventing any dullness or streaking. Now for the exciting part, the fillings. You can create a rich ganache using heavy cream and your favorite chocolate. For a fruity twist, consider a vibrant raspberry compote or a tangy passion fruit caramel. Nutty pralines like hazelnut or pistachio add wonderful texture and flavor. Remember to cool your fillings to around 86 degrees Fahrenheit before piping them into your chocolate shells, leaving space for the final chocolate layer. To assemble, fill your molds with tempered chocolate, tapping gently to release air bubbles, then invert to create a thin shell. After chilling briefly, pipe in your delicious filling, leaving a small gap. Finally, cap the bonbons with more tempered chocolate, scraping the mold clean. Once set, unmold your beautiful creations. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place, ideally between 60 and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, for optimal freshness and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.